Hey everyone, I don't know how you found me, but I'm happy you're here. My name is Jennifer. Welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make black eyed peas in the crock pot. It doesn't take many ingredients, and the best part is you don't have to babysit it. I've got some black eyed peas that are in the bag. Those have to be washed. I'll show you that in a minute. I'm going to use the slow cooker. I'm going to put it on for 12 hours. That way I don't have to baby it, as I said. I've got a slow cooker liner. That way it won't be hard to clean. I'm using low sodium chicken stock. I've got 1 onion, some bay leaves, some thyme. I've got some black pepper and some salt and a ham hock. And did I mention the onion? So I'm going to get everything set up. I'll show you how you have to wash the beans. They're not clean peas, according to my grandmother. They're dirty. They could have rocks in there, and you have to go through them. So I'm going to wash those, and those need to soak in water for a minimum of 6 hours, preferably 12 to 24 hours. So I'm going to get those washed, show you how I wash them, put them in a bowl, cover it with water, cover it with plastic wrap, and put them in the refrigerator. And if you can, periodically rinse the water and change it as you wait for the beans to totally absorb the water, because that'll cut down on the cooking time. As I said, welcome to my channel. I upload 2 videos a week and always include an inspirational quote and add a crazy, controversial joke at the end. So let me turn the camera around. Let's get cooking. Okay, so I've got 1 bag of black eyed peas that I'm putting into a colander and some cold water. I'm just rinsing these in the water and checking them for rocks and anything that doesn't look like that one there. See how it doesn't look good. So I'm going to take it out. I'm just going through them. You just want to rinse them a couple times. There's another one that has a funny look to it. Yeah, like that one. It doesn't look real cute. So I'm taking those out. And then you want to cover these in water and put them in the refrigerator. I'm going to go a minimum of 12 hours and put them in the crock pot with the ham hock. But I'll show you that later. So let me go ahead and get these cleaned and then get them in the water and then show you the next step. Okay guys, just so you can see, these are the ones that I pulled out that don't look cute. And then this one here, I don't know what that is, some kind of stem or stick or whatever that is. That's why you definitely always want to go through your peas. They're not clean. And you guys leave me some comments below and let me know. In the African American community, supposedly you're supposed to have black eyed peas for New Year's. It's supposed to ensure that you have money. So my grandmother always believed in that. Rest in peace. So I'm not a big fan. I just started eating them about 20 years ago. So I'm going to go ahead and make some this year. My husband will not eat these, so we'll see how many I have when this is done. I may try and freeze them. So as you see, I've got them covered in water. See a couple more ugly ones. I'm going to get those out. I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap, put it in the refrigerator, and keep changing the water for the next 12 hours, and then come back and show you how to get them in the crock pot. You can cook these either for 4 hours, 8 hours, or 12 hours. And I was told you don't even have to soak them. You can put them straight in the crock pot, but I don't trust that. So I'll meet you guys back in about 12 hours. Okay, everyone, I got my beans here. They've been soaking for 12 hours. I have half of an onion. And I want you guys to help me out on the comments, please. My grandmother has passed away, and like I said, I was wrong. Black eyed peas are supposed to guarantee prosperity in the new year in the African American community. We've always had them my whole life. My grandmother always had black eyed peas and greens on the holiday, on our New Year's. That's something that we had no matter what. So I was reading, and it said that you're not supposed to add chicken stock because of the way the fowl eats. He eats backwards, sideways, or whatever, same as adding beef. It messes with the money situation or prosperity. But I am going to use some chicken stock. So guys, let me know if that's something how you guys were raised. I'm going to use half an onion. I'm just chopping this up. And I'm going to use chicken stock. Like I said, hopefully it won't mess up my good luck. I'm using very little seasoning to this, and I'm not going to add the salt. Even my grandmother said when you add the salt that it can make your beans or peas tough. Now another thing, I want to let you guys know that black eyed peas are full of fiber, phosphorus. They're like a super vegetable as far as nutrients. So supposedly 1 serving gives you enough vitamins and minerals and fiber for 1 entire day. So I'm going to use half of that onion. I'm just making sure a lot of the pieces are chopped small. I'm going to put my slow cooker on high, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I'll put these in here and try not to spill it. I've rinsed them 3 or 4 times. They've been soaking for 12 hours. I'm gonna use, this is the last rinse. The water is for me. And then I'm gonna add the onions. Let me grab a spoon. And switch angles for you guys. Okay, to this I'm gonna add 1 bay leaf. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and you want your peas to be covered by 2 inches of stock or water. And I'm gonna go on high for 4 to 5 hours. Mix that in. Like I said, I'm gonna add the salt later when I check for seasoning. Hang on a second, I'm missing my ham hock. Okay, sorry about that. I have 1 small ham hock. Some people usually do 2. I'm gonna nestle it down in there. What you wanna do is put the lid on and do not take it off for 4 hours. This is 3 to 4 with seasoned with soaked beans, and also, like I said, soaking them is not necessary, but if you have digestion issues, soaking them will cut down on having a lot of gas. So that's why I soaked mine for 12 hours. I'm gonna set this on high, go 4 hours, not gonna touch it, come back, show you the next step. And as always, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. You know, I upload 2 videos a week, always include inspirational quote. And I'm just trying to show you guys something that my family does each and every year for New Year's. I'm over 60 and my parents have always had black eyed peas and greens on New Year's. So I wanted to have one on my channel. Let me put you guys on pause and I'll see you guys in about 4 hours. Okay, it's been 5 hours on the crock pot on high. And just to show you, see how it's soupy like that. I really don't care for it like that. I'm gonna fish out the ham hock, remove it. And I don't know if I told you guys, and I'm gonna take out the bay leaf. You can use ham, you can use bacon, you can make it vegetarian and not use any meat whatsoever. I'm gonna taste it for seasoning because I didn't add any salt, as you know, I just put thyme and black pepper. And it's highly under seasoned. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon salt. Stir this in there like that. Check it again. And some people add celery, red peppers, tomatoes. You can add a jalapeno pepper to your black eyed peas, whatever you like. Okay, now that's perfect. Yeah, so that was 1 pound and 1 tablespoon of salt. So let me turn the camera around and show you what I'm gonna do with the ham hock. Okay, as you see, the ham hock has this big old thick layer of skin on there. And this one doesn't have quite a lot of meat, but that's okay. I'm gonna chip all the meat off of here and put it back, minus the fat, inside my black eyed peas. I like it like that. You don't have to do that. If you don't like it like that, you can just discard the ham hock altogether. Like I said, some people use bacon. It's just a matter of how you want to flavor it. You can do it vegetarian and use just water. You see, there wasn't much meat on this ham hock at all, so it's not like a whole lot of meat to put back in there. But something else I like, I don't like my broth like that. So another trick that you can do, that I do, I'm gonna take some of these black eyed peas out. I like it more creamy texture. I'm gonna take out about that many. And I have a fork here. I'm going to smash these and add it back into it. And that'll give it a more creamy texture. I really don't like it watery like that because I like it thicker. But if you don't, they're completely done. They're soft. As you see, they're completely cooked. It was 4 hours on high in the crock pot. You see I have my liner, so it's very easy to clean. And as always, once again, for the 3rd time, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And most importantly, give me the truth about putting salt in there at the end. I heard it makes your beans or peas tough. That's why I waited to the end. And also the old wives' tale or urban legend about prosperity and money of eating black eyed peas and greens at New Year's. Like I said, my family didn't play around with that. They always had black eyed peas and greens on New Year's, sometimes chitlins. But to tell you something about me, I didn't start eating soul food till I was almost 30. I went off to college and had never had yogurt. I was extremely picky. Loved my food, but I didn't go outside of the norm too much. So there, you see it's kind of pasty like that. And I'm gonna add that back into black eyed peas. Give it more of a creamy texture. So that's it. I'm gonna get everything set up, turn the camera around. Okay guys, I just want you to know my house smells fabulous, and all I did was add thyme. And it's not enough meat, but because I only use 1 ham hock. So I definitely would recommend, if you like a lot of meat in your black eyed peas, which I do, I would definitely put in more like 2 to 3 ham hocks. So here's my joke. For my birthday, my girlfriend said I could have either a Rolex or a threesome. Both sound cool in theory, but a Rolex sounds expensive. And there's no way I'll be able to please 2 women when I can barely last 30 seconds with my girlfriend. I get too nervous. But at the same time, my girlfriend's best friend Amy is super hot. After my birthday dinner, my girlfriend told me Amy's on the way. She's really horny, and I'm getting really horny too. Are you ready to have sex with both of us? I said, nah, I just want to watch. Get it? That's kind of funny. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and definitely remember, black eyed peas are a powerhouse in nutrition. They have fiber, potassium, thiamine, folate. 1 serving takes care of a whole day's nutrition for vitamins. And you don't have to soak them for the slow cooker, but it does definitely supposedly decrease gas in humans. And like I said, you can use bacon ham or ham hock, or just leave meat without, or a smoked turkey wet neck or wing or something like that. But anyway, once again, thanks for watching. God bless. I hope to see you on the next one, and have a good evening.